Last month, my business made $50,000. I didn't have a single employee, no team, no office, no calls, just me and a system I built with AI in less than 30 days. Asterisk, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I know what you're thinking. Another YouTube guy claiming to make money with AI. I get it. I was skeptical too. But here's what's different about what I'm going to show you. This isn't a course. It's not affiliate marketing. It's not some complicated coding project. It's a real operating business with real clients, real invoices, and real revenue, run almost entirely by AI agents. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the business model is, the 3 AI tools that run 90% of operations, and the one mistake I made in month 1 that almost killed everything. So you don't have to make it. Let's get into it. Here's the reality of running a small business in 2025. You're doing everything. You're writing the emails, following up with leads, creating content, handling customer service, managing the books, and somehow, somewhere in between all of that, you're supposed to actually do the work you get paid for. The average small business owner spends 23 hours per week on tasks that have nothing to do with growing their business. That's more than half a full-time job, just on admin, just on things that, honestly, a well-configured AI system can do better and faster than any human. And the worst part? Hiring people to fix this problem costs money you don't have yet. A solid employee costs you anywhere from $40,000 to $80,000 a year when you factor in salary, benefits, training, and management time. So you're stuck. Too busy to grow. Too small to hire. That's exactly where I was 18 months ago. And it's exactly the problem this business model solves. The business model is called AI Operations Consulting. Here's how it works in plain English. Small and medium businesses, restaurants, law firms, real estate agencies, e-commerce stores, they all have the same problem I just described. They're drowning in repetitive tasks. And they know AI exists. They've heard about ChatGPT. They've seen the headlines. But they have no idea how to actually implement it in their specific business. That's where you come in. You build them a custom AI system, using tools I'm about to show you, that automates their 3 to 5 most painful daily tasks. You charge between $3,000 and $8,000 for the setup. And then, this is the part that makes a real business, not just a gig. You charge a monthly retainer of $500 to $1,500 to maintain and improve the system. One client, $1,000 a month. Recurring, get 10 clients, and you're at $10,000 a month. Get 30, and you're at the number in the title of this video. Now here's the key question. How do you run this business without employees? This is where it gets interesting. The AI system you build for your clients, you use the exact same type of system to run your own business. Your lead generation is automated. Your client onboarding is automated. Your reporting is automated. Even your follow-up emails are automated. You're selling AI automation by using AI automation to run the operation. Let me break down the 3 tools that run 90% of this business. Tool number 1, Make.com. Make, formerly known as Integromat, is an automation platform that connects your apps and runs workflows without any coding. Think of it as the central nervous system of the operation. In my business, Make handles 11 automated workflows. When a new lead fills out a form, Make automatically sends a personalized email, adds them to my CRM, creates a task in my project management tool, and sends me a Slack notification. All in under 30 seconds, without me touching a single thing. The cost? $9 a month on the basic plan, for 11 workflows that would otherwise require a full-time assistant. Tool number 2, Claude by Anthropic. I use Claude as the AI brain behind all written communication in the business. Client proposals, follow-up emails, monthly reports, content for the channel. Claude drafts everything. I review and approve in under 5 minutes. What used to take me 3 hours a day of writing now takes me 20 minutes of editing. According to McKinsey's 2024 report, AI tools like Claude reduce knowledge worker time on writing tasks by up to 40%. In my case, it's closer to 70. Tool number 3, a voice AI stack, 11 Labs plus Synthesia. For client-facing videos, onboarding tutorials, and explainer content, I don't record anything. I write the script, generate the voice with 11 Labs, create the video with Synthesia, and deliver professional video content to clients in under 2 hours. Content that agencies charge $5,000 to $10,000 to produce. My cost per video? About $12. These 3 tools make Claude and the Voice AI stack handle the delivery side of the business completely. The sales side? That runs on 2 more automations I'll cover in a future video, because this one is already getting long, but I'll link in the description when it's up. Now, I said I was going to tell you about the mistake I made in month 1, and I almost cut this part because, honestly, it's embarrassing. I spent the first 3 weeks building the perfect system, automated everything, connected every tool, tested every workflow. It was genuinely impressive. And then I launched and got 0 clients for 2 weeks. Here's what I got wrong. I automated the delivery before I had demand. I built a machine with nothing to process. The fix was simple, but it cost me 2 weeks and about $300 in wasted tool subscriptions. Before you automate anything, you need 1 paying client first. Go on LinkedIn. Reach out to 10 small business owners in your area. Offer to audit their operations for free. Find 1 person willing to pay you $1,000 for a basic automation setup. Then build the system. Because the best automation in the world is worthless without a customer to serve. That one insight, validate before you automate, is what turned a failed launch into a $50,000 a month operation. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. The one-person AI business is not a fantasy. It's a system. 3 tools, 1 validated client, 1 automated workflow at a time. You don't need a team. You don't need investment. You don't need a computer science degree. You need a problem worth solving, a client willing to pay for the solution, and the patience to build the system correctly. I'm going to keep documenting exactly how this works. The wins, the failures, the actual numbers on this channel, if you want to follow along. And more importantly, if you want the next video where I show you step-by-step how to land your first AI consulting client in under 2 weeks, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below with the word system, because I read every single one, and I want to know who's serious about building this. I'll see you in the next one.